Hi everyone, welcome to the series where we are going to be hearing from the experts on what they look for in candidates. So today I have with me Ilene from KSDT, who has been kind enough to let us know what she looks for in candidates. So hi Ilene, welcome.
Thank you, Akhila. Pleasure to be here.
So the big question, what do you look for in candidates?
I think there are three things that really stand out. The first is communication skills. The basic is a person has to come in and be intelligent and focused. You have to be likable too. And that starts with great communication skills. The second is experience doing what we do. So any kind of public accounting experience in audit or tax would be a great big plus. But also we're looking for someone who has leadership skills. So showing that you've got leadership experience from previous roles, either at work or at school, would be wonderful.
So what can candidates do to upskill themselves?
It's wonderful to have people who come in with experience, who already have public accounting experience. So that's a real plus. That will always give someone an edge over other people. Anyone who's knowledgeable in tax software, audit software, QuickBooks, Excel will also give a person an edge.
Okay, wonderful. Thank you for sharing your insights with us. It was wonderful having you here.
Thank you, Akhila. It's always a pleasure.